Hello, my name is Louis and this is Crash Build, and in the morning I'm going to be going through Gatwick Airport and hopefully there won't be any drones. Okay, oh my god, that horrible noise you can hear is them doing work outside. Right, I'm on the way to the airport. It is, 9 o'clock in the morning on the 21st of December, so we will see if there's still any lasting disruption from the drone flights. Passengers who can't stop doing that. Why do I keep doing that? Okay, so I'm quite impressed because there's only a 10-minute delay on the flight, even though there were like 120,000 passengers displaced by the drone incident. Thankfully this is quite a small airport, it's quite quiet, so I haven't gotten any trouble from having a drone on my backpack. Got some funny looks, but other than that, it's all fine. So I think we're good. I think we'll be okay. Yeah, I'm pretty sure we'll be okay. See you in Gatwick. And I made it. The captain just told us that we're basically just flying around the airport a couple of times until we get clearance. There is still a 20-minute delay or so on either side, but it's still pretty good going considering the number of delays that we've had over the last couple of days. So fingers crossed. That was absolutely terrifying because as I'm getting off the plane, I have my quad in my hand, and one woman goes, "Oh, you've got a drone! You've got a drone! You're not the guy, are you?" I'm like, she's like, "He's got a drone! He's got a drone!" I'm like, "It's not me! It wasn't me! I'm not the guy! I'm not the guy!" So that was actually pretty painless. The delay was only about maybe 10-20 minutes. Nowhere near as bad as probably for other airlines, or maybe coming from other destinations, or flying out of Gatwick, which is likely to be way worse than obviously coming into Gatwick, which is obviously what I was doing. Seeing the news that this was done with like malicious intent, right? So someone actually went out of their way to mess with this airport and to delay things, and you know, essentially the knock-on effect is ruining someone's Christmas, which is an extremely mean-spirited and horrible thing to do to just the general public, just to prove a point. But I think the bigger lesson here to be learned is it's coming up to Christmas, and there's lots of like kids and adults who are going to be getting new FPV products. They might be just getting into the sport, they might be first-time enthusiasts. Please do your very best to educate yourself about the laws in your country, the regulations in your country, the terrain you're going to be flying on. Fly responsibly. Try and make this sport have as good a reputation as possible in the public eye. Basically how to just be a good pilot and not piss people off. Because outside of the seemingly malicious intentions of the actor in this whole Gatwick situation, the general public can do a lot to make our sport look good in the public eye. And I've never been in this situation before where I've been on a plane and people have gone like, "Oh, you have a drone," and like kind of kicked up a fuss about being on the plane in the first place. Like, and I know it was probably kind of light-hearted. It was half light-hearted, kind of like half bitter. But we've got to be aware of the fact that the way our sport gets portrayed in the public eye and in the media is a sum total of our actions. And it's always defined by the worst people in a sport, not the best people in the sport. My bag has just arrived. Just remember that we, all of us, have a responsibility to the general public to fly safely. Please, this Christmas, if you are buying a new quad or a fixed wing or whatever for someone, or if you're getting one as a gift, or if you're about to get one as a gift, please do your very best to just make us look good. Still have fun, obviously, but also try your best to make us look good. I am amazingly tired. So thanks very much for watching, guys. Please subscribe to Crash Builds. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.